really think you should.
This video is sponsored by GME Remittance. It is one of the used remittance company which provides both online and offline services. What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Sky POUDEL, and it's me Akash. In this video I am going to show you how to make passport size photo through Photoshop. So let's get started. So first of all, download the Photoshop application, then open it. The interface goes like this. Now click on Files, click on New. Select the width and height to inches. Width should be 3.5. Height should be 4.5. And resolution should be 300 pixels. Color mode must be RGB color. Let's click on OK. Again click on File, click on Open. Now select the image. Click on Open. Now select the crop tool. The photo must be cropped with 3.5 width and 4.5 height. Now click on Zoom tool and click on Fit Screen. Go to the next tab. Here also click on Fit Screen. Go to the previous tab and click on Quick Selection tool. Left click on it and click on Quick Selection tool. Now select the background of the image very slowly and gradually. Like this. Now left click on the photo. Click on Fill. Now in the use you must select background color, which is white. Click on OK. Finally our background is white. Click on the arrow tool and click on the rectangle looking kind of thing, which is the selection tool. Now we are going to make the border of the passport size photo. Select the edges of the photo like this. Now left click on the image and click on Stroke. So the width must be 10 pixel. Color is as per your choice. Mostly it is black. Location must be inside. So click on OK. Click on Ctrl+D to deselect the image. So everything is perfect. Now click on Layer and click on Flatten Image. Now click on File and click on Open. Here the width must be 3200 pixel and height must be 2100 pixel. Resolution is always 300 pixel. Then click on OK. Now go to the tab which contains your passport size photo. Now in the keyboard press Ctrl+A to select the image. Now press Ctrl+C to copy the image. Now go to the previous tab and press Ctrl+B. Now drag the photo to the edge of the sheet. Set your photo to the correct place of the sheet with the help of the arrow keys in the keyboard, like this. Now to duplicate the photo, press the Alt key in the keyboard, double tap the photo and drag it like this. Like previously with the arrow keys in the keyboard, fit the image to the correct place. Now you have to drag and fit the image, drag and fit the image, drag and fit the image until and unless the sheet gets filled completely. Like this. Finally you have made your passport size photo. If you like this video, consider subscribing